Good day, everyone. I'm Jamie Owano, one of the reporters of Module 15 producing radio spots. Today, we will discover and learn about the types of radio spots, specifically balagtasan and puzzles and quizzes. And together, we will also go over the value of knowing the formats of radio spots. For the types of radio spots, we have a lot we can work with. We have mini drama, straight announcement, endorsement by authorities and personalities, testimonial, collage, montage, and vox pops, dialogue, jingle, question and answer, balagtasan, and puzzles and quizzes. And for my report, I will focus on the last two types, the balagtasan and the puzzles and quizzes. And I think these two are the most uncommon types na na-encounter natin. So, unahin na natin ang balagtasan. Balagtasan is a poetic debate that captivates listeners with emotional and artistic exchanges, focusing on key issues and quick resolution. What makes it exciting is yung conflict, kasi ito yung nagiging hook to pull the listeners into the argument. And since there's limited time, it focuses on the key points only of the issue, presented through short interactive lines and wraps up quickly with a resolution. And when performing a balagtasan for a radio spot, hindi naman kailangan stiff o sobrang formal yung delivery. The more na mas natural and lively yung dating, the more na mas nakaka-engage with the audience. I mentioned earlier na itong dalawang types na i-discuss ko are in my opinion the most uncommon types used in radio spots. Kaya medyo challenging maghanap ng sample materials. But I was able to find this ad from Palawan Express. Let's watch this.
Ang pera padala, baw. Sa pera padala, hindi na kailangan ang endorsement ng sikat na artista.
At lalong hindi na kailangan ang padrama-drama pa.
Ang kailangan,
Mura, mabilis.
walang kuskus balungos.
Yan ang Palawan Express, pera padala. Mura, mabilis, walang kuskus balungos. Baw.
Ayun, di ba? Very artistic yung delivery nila. Now, for the next one is the puzzles and quizzes. Puzzles and quizzes challenge listeners with interesting and relevant questions, capturing their attention and encouraging participation. Minsan, di ba, gusto natin ng challenge. Yung mapapaisip tayo and may exercise yung brain cells natin. Pero syempre, when it comes to puzzles and quizzes and radio spots, dapat yung mga tanong natin are interesting and relevant. Kung puro mababaw, corny, or cliche na yung mga tanong, may tendency na mabore yung audiences and mag-disengage sila. So to keep their attention, the questions must be fresh and relevant. And here's the best example of puzzles and quizzes that I found on the internet that's under a minute length.
Uy, lunch break na si Kid. Naglabas ng baong favorite. Maghuhugas o magpupunas lang ng kamay? Maghuhugas! Beshi Beth, apektadong mental health. Kukumustahin o dededmahin? Kukumustahin! Si Kid na hindi pa handa magka-baby. Delay until ready o bahala na? Delay until ready! At ang asawa mong pasaway, pinayuhang tunay. Para katawan ay laging win, healthy habits ang sundin. Uy, lunch break na si...
Now that we've explored the elements of balagtasan and puzzles and quizzes, let's dive into the format of radio spots, which will be part 2 of my report.